name's Calvin Law. My wife Wendy Law, she's gonna be making Vietnamese spring rolls. Spring rolls can be healthy food and they are simple to make. Spring rolls is one of the popular appetizer in Vietnamese culture. Thank you for watching. Okay folks, these are the ingredient and recipe that you need for Vietnamese spring rolls. Slice of shrimp and pork, Thai-basil, lettuce, and beansprouts, rice noodle, spring roll wrapper, Hoisin sauce, and peanut butter. These are the ingredients and recipe. Okay, the wrapping process began. First of all, you dip the spring roll wrappers into warm water. Let it soften. And then start putting in the recipe. If you like wrapping, it could be a fun job for you.
Okay. The lettuce, basil, Thai basil, beansprout go together. Put it on the top of the wrapper, and one hand hold, the other hand pick the rice noodle, and one piece of pork. The shrimp I slice it by half, turn the red one to the bottom, the white one on the top, and pick two sides.
The red side of the shrimp facing down, the white side facing up when you wrap. And it's helpful to have a wrapper tool underneath the wrapper as well, so that will make your job a little bit easier.
Okay, the finger start to roll.
This is a very important technique. Make sure the fingers and the hands are working in conjunction with one another, so that when you wrap it at the end, the spring roll feels more tight, and when you chew on it, everything wouldn't come out. So this is the spring roll that just wrap.
I'm going to make another one.
The second one began. It could take you a little while to get used to it when you first do the wrapping. So just be patient and persistent. If you fail, just start over again. Make sure you have plenty of recipe. Again, repeat the same process when you wrap. Make sure both hands and fingers are working in conjunction with one another when you do the wrapping. And roll it tight. Make sure all the stuff stay inside the wrapper.
Okay, these are very tight. You just do not expose. Very tight.
Yep. When you drop it and nothing's spread out, or nothing comes out, which means that you have done a good job of wrapping. Let's do another one again. And try to control the amount of food that you want to put inside on top of the wrapper.
Yeah, don't put too much rice noodle because they are going to explode.
When you put too much rice noodle, it's going to spread out. It's going to feel loose, if you will. So make sure you control the amount of stuff to put on a wrapper. So remember, to soften the wrapper, spring roll wrappers, use warm water, deep into the warm water. And let it sit for a little bit before you wrap, so that the spring wrapper feels softened and easier to wrap. Make sure you press down. Use both hands and fingers to roll, spring roll. Let's do another one again. After you dip into the water, let it sit for a while, the wrapper. And once it's softened, then you can start putting in the stuff and start to wrap. Takes a little technique, patience, and time to get used to the wrapping process. Once you get the hang of it, it will become easier.
Okay, I got 4. So right now I'm going to show you how to make the sauce.
So the next process is going to be how to do the sauce, the dip for the spring rolls. Start making the dipping sauce for the spring rolls. 6 spoons of Hoisin sauce. That's peanut butter.
Yeah. Peanut butter, 1 spoon.
1 spoon of peanut butter. 6 spoons of Hoisin sauce. The one that we're using right now for measuring the Hoisin sauce and the peanut sauce is the soup spoon. You stir it well. Just turn the heat into medium. Not too high, not too low, just medium, so that it doesn't burn and overcooked. Spring rolls is one of the simplest cuisine to make. It's very fast and is less time consuming as well. The most important process is the wrapping process. Once you get the hang of it, the rest will become a little bit easier. And it tastes delicious as well. The spring rolls, they will taste delicious, no doubt. Most importantly, they're healthy as well. They're very healthy. The sauce is a little bit salty. That's why we want to add a little bit of water to mix it, so that it will taste less salty. It is tastes right. Because the Hoisin sauce can be kind of salty if you put a little bit too much, which we did, and so right now we have to balance it so that the dipping sauce will be less salty. Turn up the heat and let it cool down a little bit.
Good.
If you want to add a little bit of pepper to the sauce, and mix with the sauce before you dip the spring roll into the sauce. If you like spicy sauce. If you don't like spicy, then you can dip the spring rolls in the sauce plain sauce as well. Okay, this is the finished product. As you can see here, these are the shrimp and pork Vietnamese spring rolls along with dipping sauce. Crushed peanuts put on top of the dipping sauce. I'm sure the spring rolls look delicious. Cheers! Tastes very good. Let me try another one.